Again with my new video of question answers of plant also breathe and feel. The first para. It was an to in the scientific world. Who was the man who built the unique instrument? वह व्यक्ति कौन था जिसने अद्भुत यंत्र बनाया? Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose was a man who built the unique instrument. What was unique about that instrument? यंत्र में अद्भुतता क्या था? It was unique about the instrument that it could measure the growth of plant. Why were the great men amazed to see the instrument? महान व्यक्ति यंत्र को देखकर आश्चर्यचकित क्यों थे? The great men were amazed to see the instrument because it was wonderful thing. What are the instruments called? यंत्र क्या कहलाता था? The instruments are called crystallography. Why were the scientists surprised to hear in India? भारत में सुनकर वैज्ञानिक आश्चर्यचकित क्यों हुए? In the 19th century, in the field of science, India has not progressed, so the scientists were supposed to hear in India. Next para. Bose was born and victory was fair. When and where was Bose born? Bose का जन्म कब और कहाँ हुआ था? Bose was born in 1858 in the village in Bengal. Where did Bose get his graduation from? Where did he get his job? बोस ने स्नातकता की उपाधि कहाँ से प्राप्त की? उनको नौकरी कहाँ मिली? Bose got his graduation from Cambridge. He got his job in Pedistry College in Calcutta. What were the British rules regarding the salary paid to Indians? भारतीयों को दिए जाने वाले वेतन में अंग्रेजी शासन के क्या नियम थे? The British rule regarding the salary paid to Indians was that Indians received 2/3 of the salary to be paid of European professor. How long did the struggle between Bose and government go on? बोस तथा सरकार के बीच कितना लंबा संघर्ष चला? A 3-year struggle went between Bose and the government. What were Bose's view on the salary pattern of the government? सरकार वेतन के स्वरूप के बारे में बोस से क्या विचार थे? Bose views that the people who did have the same amount and same kind of work should be paid the same salary, whatever races they belonged to. How can you say that the Bose was a kind of principle and self-respect? आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि बोस सिद्धांत और आत्मसम्मान वाले व्यक्ति थे? He refused to touch any part of salary for 3 years. It shows that Bose was a man of principle and self-respect. Bose now began branches of science. What made Bose famous all over the world? Bose पूरी दुनिया में किस कारण प्रसिद्ध हो गए? The discovery of the fact that plants breathe and feel and crystallography made Bose famous all over the world. What was Bose interested in his since boyhood? लड़कपन से बोस को किस में रुचि थी? Since his boyhood, Bose was interested in animals and plant life. Why did he notice about his wireless receiver? उन्होंने अपने वायरलेस रिसीवर से के विषय में क्या ध्यान दिया? Bose noticed that his wireless receiver shows a sign of tiredness, but it regained its power after rest for some time. What are the results of discovery made by Galileo and Newton? Galileo and Newton की खोज का क्या परिणाम हुआ? The result of discovery by Galileo and Newton was that man began to study each branches of science. Several kinds of science were also developed. What kind of belief till the end of middle age? मध्यकाल के अंत तक मनुष्य क्या विश्वास करता है? Till the end of middle age, man believed that God has created everything, man or stones or rock. Everything has its place and purpose. He realized an approach to strangers. What was it that Bose realized was different to convince others? किस कारण बोस को विश्वास था कि अन्य व्यक्ति को संतुष्ट करना कठिन है? Bose found that there is similarity in the behavior of lifeless and living things, but it was difficult to convince others. Why did people take Bose seriously? लोगों ने बोस को गंभीरता से क्यों नहीं लिया? People love to hold on their old beliefs and do not like to change them, so that they didn't take Bose seriously. Was Bose confident of himself? क्या बोस को स्वयं पर विश्वास था? Yes, Bose was confident to himself. What was crystallography meant to? Crystallograph को क्या बनाया गया है? Crystallograph was an instrument to show that plant has sight and sense, which tells them that strangers is approaching. What are fact should be proved by a chrysograph. क्रेसोग्राफ द्वारा किन तथ्यों पर सिद्ध किया जा सकता है? A chrysograph proved that Bose has not been wrong. It showed that plants have heart and they are capable of feelings. The story of this till faith in future. How can you say that Bose was a patriot? आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि बोस देश प्रेमी थे? Bose was a great patriot because he had in his mind concern of India and her people. What was the firm belief of Bose about his countrymen? बोस को अपने देशवासियों के विषय में क्या दृढ़ विश्वास था? Bose firmly believed that his countrymen could be great things like their ancestors. Where and what did Bose say about Indian glory? बोस ने भारत के वैभव के विषय में क्या और क्यों कहा? In the convention of the University of Mysore in November 1927, J.C. Bose said that the only hard war are not idlers of his countrymen brought glory to India. What did Bose expect from the countrymen? Bose expected from the countrymen to do great things in their lives and have undying hope and faith in future. Long answers. What do you understand by chrysograph? What is meant for? आप क्रेसोग्राफ के विषय में क्या समझते हैं? यह किस लिए बनाया गया है? Chrysograph was a unique and wonderful instrument which was built by Jagdish Chandra Bose, an Indian scientist. He displayed this machine in the Paris Congress of Science 1900. There he showed the scientists how to use it. The scientists were amazed when Bose displayed the working of the machine, that they were very surprised when they came to know that this was made in India. It was meant to show that the plants had sight and sense, which tells them the stranger is approaching. The instrument could also measure the growth of a plant. It also improved that plants have heart and can feel. Why are people surprised to know chrysograph was invented in India? लोगों को ये जानकर आश्चर्य क्यों हुआ कि क्रेसोग्राफ को भारत ने बनाया है? At the Paris Congress of Science 1900, J.C. Bose showed him wonderful machines to the great men of the science. The machine showed the blind a sight and a sense which tells them the stranger is approaching. The great scientist told Jagdish that his machine was wonderful. They asked what he called that instrument. Jagdish said chrysograph. They asked that why it is made, where it was made. He made in India. The reply caused great surprise. India in those days were well known for its greatness in the field of fine and arts, literature and philosophy, but in the field of science it was not made much progress. What evidence do we get from the lesson in support of Bose in Patriot? बोस के देश प्रेमी होने के पक्ष में पाठ में आपको क्या सबूत मिलता है? Bose was a great scientist as well as a great patriot. He had his own concern for India and her people. He had deep belief in the intelligence of his countrymen. He was certain that his countrymen was capable of doing great things today as their forefather had done in the past. He was a proud Indian glory in the past. He argued his countrymen to own action and give us idleness. He believed that happiness should be won for all countrymen and not for single people. He wanted their countrymen to have underlying hope and faith in the future. How can you say that Bose was a man of self-respect and principle? आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि बोस आत्मसम्मान तथा सिद्धांत वाला व्यक्ति है? After his graduation from Cambridge, he returned to India and was appointed professor of physics in Presidency College at Calcutta. In those days of British rule, an Indian usually received two-thirds of salary paid to European professor. Bose appointed some was temporary, so there was given only half of the rate of European. Bose believed that the people who made the same amount and same kind of work should be paid of same salary, so he did not accept this salary for 3 years. It was a question to self-respect and principle. At last he got success. It showed that Bose was a man of self-respect and principle. Why did Bose think about his countrymen and countrymen? Bose अपने देश तथा देशवासियों के विषय में क्या सोचता था? Bose loved his country very much. He loved his countrymen equally. He was proud to be called an Indian. He was sure that the people of India were capable of doing great things. He could be as great as his ancestors had been in the past. Bose knew that their actions are not idleness, were responsible for past glories. He had deep faith in the intelligence of his countrymen. He believed that what India could get here past greatness Though sincere and hard work, his message of his countrymen was high, have undying hope and faith in the future. What did Bose discover about plants? बोस ने पौधों के विषय में क्या खोज की? Bose has been interested in animals and plant life since boyhood. He discovered that plant had heart and could feel. They had a sight and sense which tells them the stranger was approaching. Bose made an instrument to prove that his belief was true. This instrument was known as Kisiograph. It was an amazing instrument. It recorded the growth of plant. It magnifies the movement of plant tissue. 10,000 times it could be recorded the reaction of plant and noise, and other stimuli. The Kisiograph proved that his belief about the plant was not wrong. Thus, with the help of Kisiograph, J.P. Bose could prove that their beliefs about plant was true. Discoveries do not come from the faithful followers and the yes men of science. What does the statement mean? खोज विज्ञान के वफादार अनुयायियों तथा चापलूसों लोगों के द्वारा नहीं की जाती है. It is a fact that discovery do not come from faithfulness followers and yes man of science. It is doubter and reveals the discovery of new things. Bose was never a yes man of science. He was rebel like Galileo and Newton. He gave new ideas about the plant and life of the people. He said that there is a great similarities of behavior on the lifeless and living things. He said that plants and metals have a life of their own. They could have tired, depressed, and happy. People laughed at him. He wanted to prove that he was right. He made a machine, Kisiograph, to prove this theory. Thank you.